Found my new happy place in my new reclining chair. What's up, happy campers? We got some new chairs we're gonna check out. I guess we'll call this the chair episode. Daisy loves this chair. You love this chair, Daisy? This is a 0G chair. Has a built-in headrest. That was adjusted for some young ladies. It has two little rings here you can use to lock the sides. Lift them up like this and go all the way back. And get the sun in your eyes. Oh, the sun's in my eyes? Check this out. How nice is that? Now this is adjustable, so you've got the arm that swings around back, which is more for storage, but there's joints right here in the corner that you can adjust as so, based on how you need it. And you don't have to stay all the way back. If you're more comfortable here, you could put the brakes down, the little rings, you know, if you want to have a conversation with somebody. Now, first day in this chair the other day, I put it all the way back and I fell asleep. And it was 90-something degrees out here, but I had a nice breeze coming underneath this covered picnic table area. I was comfy. It was great. The mesh material that you sit on allows some coolness to come under you so you don't heat up on your backside. And there is a cup, mug with a handle. Put your phone here, you can put your tablet here, or as Kaylin says, a drawing pad right here. You could put that on either side, I suppose. Yeah, look at that. Adjust to both sides, whichever side you want it on. I think we'll probably get a few more of these chairs. This is really comfortable. So let's take a look at folding it up. Undo my brakes. Now it's got like a grip right there to put your shoe on. But if I kind of hold on to the armrest and kind of, you know, the downside is this thing, the back of it's hitting my head, and that's because I'm so tall. I'm gonna flip this around. So that's in storage mode. Put this down, I'm gonna lock these. Not too terrible to get out of. And now I will fold it up. So when it all folds up, this kind of just lays separate. I mean, it's not easily losable. You may want to find it at home so you remember where you leave it in your RV or wherever you've got it stored so it doesn't get separated. Because this really takes this chair from great to luxurious. Let's take a look at packing this up. So we'll set this to the side. So it's in a lock position right now. It might make it harder to fold up. So I'll put the rings forward so they're not in lock. If I hold it like this, the shade's gonna come out. So it's a little awkward and cumbersome when you've got it folded up. This is kind of a two-handed job. Just kind of grab as much as you can and set it to the side. The next item that I had picked up, I bought this actually for a strange reason. So we're trying to live full-time in the RV, and I had the idea to kind of set up a desk next to my side of the bed. And so I purchased this thing to actually sit on the bed to give me a back so I could sit on the bed. I put a little footstool so my feet are raised up, and then have a desk or something right there. The items that I've tried so far for that, I just didn't really care for them. So as of right now, the idea is abandoned. I may revisit it. When we get someplace and we got a picnic table, we can fold down this little bar here. It's made for bleachers. This was made to take to like sporting events. But as we like to come out here and like sit around the fire and whatnot, you can hook this to a picnic bench, park bench, and takes comfort to a whole new level. This I got at Walmart. I think it's about $20. And when you're ready to take it with you, it has a little string around the side. It goes around like this little disc looking thing here. And that keeps it from opening up. So that way I can put it back in storage, which is under the bed. All right, this next chair I got from Amazon. Now I will put links for all three chairs we take a look at today in the description. So if you want to go take a look at them on Amazon, See if anything interests you. I think this one had multiple different colors. Have you ever noticed on Amazon sometimes the different colors have different prices? Watch out for that. Just make sure you're not going to a color you really love and then the price goes up 20 bucks. Just keep an eye on that. All right, this one's got a bag to store it in. All right. Bag, it's got a strap to carry it. That's pretty nice. Now, if you do go through the links that I provide and purchase them, they throw us a few pennies from your purchase at no extra charge to you. Basically, the way Amazon looks at it is they don't have to pay for advertisements, whereas other companies will pay for commercials on TV. So instead, they just share that advertising money with YouTubers like us. So your price doesn't go up. But they're just like, you got here through Texas Family Camping. We'll give them a few pennies for your purchase. Came out nice and easy. Of course, we all know nothing ever goes back in real easy, does it? Now, doesn't this thing look lush and comfortable? That material, it's kind of like a sleeping bag. A little pillow there for your head. Now, I did check this. I am about 300 pounds. There we go. So this one is a 300-pound capacity rating. So if I'm at 301, I'm in trouble. Tell you what, I'll take my phone out of my pocket. There, now I know I'm at 300. Neat little cup holder there. Might be a little flimsy. It's got like a mesh on the bottom, not a mesh, but plastic lattice to allow your condensation to drip out. Why am I so nervous? Maybe because I know I'm going to be comfortable. Felt a little weird coming down as the sides bent down as I put my hands on them. And the pillow is in my back. There we go. Sorry I'm sweating so much. It's going to be near 100 today and it's 10 o'clock in the morning. It's already hot. But who cares, right? You don't care. You probably can't even see that I'm sweating. Well, if my shirt's turning wet, maybe you can. Comfortable chair, but the type of material I see being a problem for a hot day. This would be a better chair in the winter time. This is definitely gonna probably cause, probably gonna cause my back and everything on my back to get hot and sweaty. It's comfortable. If you like armrests, you don't have that. Your elbows hang down at your side. There's a cardinal over there looking at me like, what are you doing? Hello, cardinal. Just filming videos for Texas Family Camping. The cup holder's in a good spot. I feel like I could reach something there. Some of our bigger bottles would have a problem fitting in that though. See if I can get some other people to try it out. Oh wait, we should see. Can I get out? Yeah, see, that's weird. These sidebars push down. As I push up, it like makes my knees go up. That's a little hard to get out of. And I definitely left sweaty marks on the back of it. I'd cut that out.
Don't put that in there. Sorry. But it looks nice. It's comfortable. Yeah. I like the pillow.
So what I was saying was this material feels like a blanket. So I feel like on a hot day, it's going to cause everything on the back to be too hot.
Yes. I could see that.
It might not be that comfortable in hot weather.
Yeah, today is a hot day.
Yeah.
I like it.
Cool.
I like it.
Tanya likes it. All right. And show everybody getting up so they get a feel for it.
Yes. Who is this? So I put my hands on the sides and push up, and it kind of gives me a boost on my legs to like help me.
Okay.
Not that I'm old and need that, but it helps. It does help. Wait, use the pillow. Use the pillow.
Oh, see, she wants to curl up in it. Can you curl up in it? Can you
Is
like
it-
get your feet and everything up into it? Is that
Is that
comfortable?
comfortable? That looks comfortable right there.
What about like curling sideways? Can you? What do you think of the chair?
It kind of feels like a blanket. I do not like the pillow in the back.
You don't like the pillow?
No, it hurts my neck. That's better.
That's better?
Yes.
Look at that, the pillow lifts out of the way. Another win for Core Equipment.
Am I a talk show or something?
You are in an advertisement. Would you like to spin the Wheel of Fortune? Too bad I don't have a Wheel of Fortune. Why don't you get up so they can see how easy it is for you?
I was scratching my nose.
Easy to get up? All right. Thanks, Kaylin. Thanks, Tanya. Let's take a look to see how difficult this is to put away. Ah, okay. So the armrest being all the way up is kind of a locked position. So to get it to fold up, push down on the arms. Well, that's pretty easy. Ah, the cup holder is collapsible. Excellent. I have heard people say that they don't ever put the chairs back in the bags. It can be a little difficult to get the chair back in the bag, but I feel like it helps you with storage. Dave's Laws of Space. Oh, that's not too bad at all. Super easy, barely an inconvenience. That was easy. That was too easy. Oh my goodness. All right, happy campers. Thanks for watching our video about these 3 new chairs we got. Once again, if you like these chairs, want to take a look at them, there are links in the description below. You can just go take a look at them. If you do want to buy them through those links, that'll help us out a little bit to keep making you more videos, which we need all the help we can get in more ways than one. Happy camping, y'all.